Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Oregl TV app. First, you can install it directly from the Play Store, and once it's done, just open the app. You will see a simple login page, and the best part is you can sign up anonymously. Just tap on the name field to generate a random name, then select you again and agree to the terms. After that, tap on fast login and you will be logged in instantly. Now, if you go to the filter section, you can choose the gender and location of the people you want to connect with. Changing these filters cost coins, usually around 10 per match. If you want more coins, you can buy them. But there is also a free method. To get free coins, tap on the display option and watch ads. Do this a few times until the ads load. And after watching them, you will receive coins. As you can see, I received some coins after watching ads. Before starting, you can go to your profile and change your name. You can also upload the profile picture if you want. Once that's done, go back and start chatting. Make sure to allow microphone and camera permission for the app to work properly. One of the best features is that you can accept or skip users without immediately connecting through video. But keep in mind that skipping or connecting will use your coins. If you go back, you can see your coin balance decreasing. That's it for this video. Now you can try the app on your own. If you are looking for an app that doesn't require a full login, this is a great option. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.